What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Kelly Builds here on my channel. If you're new, I am building, I don't know the proper way to say what I'm doing, this BMW 2002. So this is my car. I got a parts car the other day. I actually have another parts car coming today, but this is mine. And if you saw in the last video, we pretty much just got this in the last video. So this video is going to be a little bit of a mashup. The other day we tried to take parts of the floor out in my car to start to put the floor pans in. So we tried to take that out, but there's a bracket or a brace?
Kind of both.
A brackety brace, bracket brace, I don't know, underneath it. So with the kids, it wasn't working for our time. It's going to be a full day, so once we have some help with the kids, we'll do that. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna tear into this a little bit more. I'm gonna have Trav probably do the bulk of it because, again, it's gonna be quicker. We're literally running out of space here. We have, yeah, we have our daily, we have the Roadster pickup, we have the 36, just a pile of stuff, my car, the parts car, we're getting another parts car, and the Phaeton. So clearly we're running out of space here. We need to move, so keep watching my channel. Tell all your friends about it. So yeah, we'll just be getting right into it. Woohoo! All right, so we got the car in the garage. Very rarely is there anything of mine in here, so that's cool. So we have the little thing up here. We're gonna take the motor and the transmission out.
Mom, okay?
Okay.
It's very oily under here, and I just turned the fan a little bit,
Hey,
and it turned the crank. But now the belt's flipping on the fan fully, so now it doesn't spin. But I got it to spin a little bit, so I think this motor's more free than the other one. So
Than mine?
Yeah, than yours. But that doesn't mean it's good. It means it's more free. Okay.
Did you figure out what the transmission was?
Huh?
Did you figure out what the transmission was?
No, not yet.
Oh, it's so cool. Is that enough, Pat?
Everything's gonna clear.
No?
It's 1,000 pounds rating.
That?
Yeah, it should be alright. All the way. That's the thing that sucks about these. It gets bound up. Move out of the way. Whoa. Yeah, that's the only thing I don't like about them. Is it's still on. Yes, it should go.
I'm not wicked weak here.
We'll see. Something on the transmission.
They're very heavy, huh?
Speedo cable.
It was easier before. Look what's here. BMW number 3. It's a junkyard. It's a junkyard.
The headquarters.
We have to move. There's just no option.
What's up?
Look at that. We got a lot going on here. Which would you rather? A 36 3 window or a busted up BMW 2002? This looks like shit.
I know. We have to take it with the deal.
Yeah.
How's the fender of the...
Fine. Horrific.
No, this one might go straight to the scrap.
Take the glass out, no?
Yeah, the windshield.
It's got a sunroof.
Oh, it does have a sunroof. Look at that.
Chris, you might have to pull off.
I'm just here supervising. See, guys, mine is looking better by 1
Come up front. Come up here. It's easier.
What?
I'll push it inside. So right. You're gonna make one out of all of them?
Oh, there is. Well, I was saying before, I was like, I would love to drift that. I think that'd be the closest to getting a race car driver I could get. But then it's so expensive to drift and I want that to be like kind of showy.
Hold on.
But now I'm like, well, I have that.
My brother
I could beat it up.
My brother had a nice one. Hey Chris, didn't my brother David have
Oh.
like an old
what's this?
79 535?
Yeah. This is a 2002.
You want to put it on a block or?
This was earlier.
But it's a 74. The model's in 2002.
What's that look like?
Oh.
Toes.
Got a good windshield.
I know. Well, this one's broken. So now I have 2 windshields.
Like a glove.
Our
Put a
neighbors.
bush on it. Some Christmas trees. You won't even know it's there.
You blocked the door though.
Yeah.
Look at this. Windshield.
Sunroof?
Sunroom, yes. Windshield. Look at this. Sunroof. Wow. I don't really know what I'm getting myself into here. But this is accumulating very quickly.
Yep. Probably a couple years apart, but they're all... Take the motor out,
I wish it was a 5-speed.
put it on a stand,
I feel like that's,
clean everything up.
it's not lame, right? Because it's better
You
than...
say there's a 5-speed in that? The
I say 5-speed, but it's just another manual transmission. Because that one's automatic.
And you wanted a shifter car.
Yeah. Hero bumper in the back for the balance.
That's
You know, repurposing.
yeah, no, that's fair enough. They are pretty humble.
Because I'm thinking, I don't know how this... Don't worry about it.
It's not gonna fall?
Oh, if it does, yeah, I'm not going for it. I don't know why it's so stuck.
What about this?
Don't break that. It's just the rust is holding the plastic on. There you go. And then we'll find a nut for that.
This should probably be...
But no, what?
Oh! Not this!
Weak again. And it's turning nice.
Except I don't want my butt in that camera. Oh, did you hear that?
Yeah. Same thing, don't want to spin.
Is it the same starter?
Yeah, same starter. Yeah, or the shaft. That's probably why it was here in this condition. Starters on these always freeze up and they don't want to spin.
What time is that with him?
All right, guys, so big video today. Lots going on. Look at that. Not a 5-speed, but you know, still better than an automatic. This should be working, or is working a lot better than mine. So I'm just gonna take out my motor, stick this in, motor trans, whatever, and stick it all in, call it a day. Super big mashup of everything going on. Thank you guys again for watching, commenting, supporting. All those things mean so much to me in my little journey here of building this car. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one.